What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy a description of a YouTube Shorts video, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So in previous videos I already explained to you how to view a description of a YouTube short video, but let's run over it through again. So I made a screenshot of a YouTube short video. As you can see, this is a YouTube short video, and I pointed with this red arrow on these three dots. When you press on them, you're gonna have an option which says description or view the full description. When you click on it, the description of the YouTube short video will be showcased to you. And if you want to copy it and paste it, just depending on what you're using, either the desktop version or your phone version. If you're using the phone, use the method which you generally use to copy a text on your phone. Just hold the text or whichever, or if you're on desktop, just double click it and just select it as you normally select a text when you try to copy it. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to copy a description on a YouTube short video. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.